Good morning. My name is Joseph Fernandez, and I'm the president of JSCI. And today we had a meeting, executive meeting we had. And before that, I would like to also introduce our members. As you can see to my left, we have none other than Dixon, who has been the past president of and founder of JSCI. I have Umakant Sawant, who is the assistant treasurer, and I have Sandeep Kalikar, who is also the Assistant General Secretary. So this meeting was actually in regards to 25th June, which is the Day of the Seafarers, and we are going to celebrate this. We celebrate this every year, and this time the theme is risk on risk, and we have decided to have it in Benaulin. But prior to that, we also want to tell some of our crew members that you all have to come here because we are going to take three very important agendas for this meeting, and this is in with regards to their complaints, and obviously a lot of times they have been coming to me. One of the main is the issue of health and medical, where consistently our seafarers have been having issues. The second issue has been ongoing. We had taken a resolution last meeting about the that was the old age benefit scheme, which is only eligible for 75 years. And lastly, the most important one that has been ongoing is for cruise people working in the cruise industry, where $15 have been getting cut, including mine, and there has been no account of it. Rather, we have no clue about it, and we want to take people's complaint because we just cannot go by ourselves. We need the support, we need the information from this group. So with regards to the health, Dixon will talk about, and with regards to the old age benefit, Sandeep will tell you about it.
So, 25th June is the day, International Day of the Seafarers, and हे पार्टी आम्ही बाणाले मार्यावलान आम्ही हे सेलिब्रेट करतले. आणि इंतू मेन मुद्दो म्हणजे तो एक टुडे सीफेरर्स स्पेशली आमगेले यंगस्टर्स तांकां जायते मेडिकल कंडिशनाक लागून तांकां आयज परतून रिक्रुटींग जायना. म्हणजे ते गोंय येता तेन्ना तांकां वेकेशना येयले म्हणटकीर तांकां मेडिकलाक वयता तेन्ना फॉर सिली स्मॉल थिंग्स बट वीच आर बीन व्हेरी एक तांकां एक लायक हायपरटेंशन, ब्लड प्रेशर, the diabetic, these are common diseases after age of 40-45. So हे इशू लागून तांकां जायते जाणांक तांकां मेडिकलाक फेल कोताय आनी तांकां कोण हेल्प करतलो ना. सो एज अ गोवन सिविल एसोसिएशन वी हॅड लॉट ऑफ कंप्लेन्स. आमकां जायते तेंचे इशू येयले, जायते भुरगे आनी जायते परतून वचपाक तांकां आयज गोंया आहाय. सो ताका लागून आमी वीथ वन मेडिकल ऑफ द बेलानी डॉक्टर ब्लू शील्ड. So we have invited him also and another doctor also to give a talk and have a question and answer. See, kite rule change zale, how they are measuring your health, what are the criteria, what are the parameters. Aka lagun ami ye session 25th June thing dolla. And I magta je taroti je youngster hai timi yeche, and we will work with them along with the medical. We are not saying to come pass kotle, but आम्ही जायते कडेन इशू घेताय आनी डॉक्टर म्हणटा हे कंपनीचे क्रायटेरिया म्हणटा. पूण हांव कितें सांगता, हायपरटेंशन सगळ्याक आसता, प्रेशर सगळ्याक आसता, फॅमिली प्रॉब्लेम आसता, डायबिटीज शुगर आसता, बट दीज आर द क्रायटेरिया यू कॅनॉट फेल फॉर अ जॉब. सो हांव मागता जे गोंया आई तेगेले फॅमिलीकूय तुमी एटेंड जावचे मार्यावाला 25th जून, तेचे आमी भासाभास करतले. दुसरो म्हणटा तो इशू आमचो एजो जो जे वेलफेअर स्कीम आहा ती डिजी शिपिंगाची जी 75 आहा तांकां कवर जाता, 1 lakh मेळटा. सो वी वॉन्ट टू मेक शुअर वी विल मीट अ युनियन मिनिस्टर ऑल्सो इन दिल्ली and he is supposed to come to Goa. We will send a representation. 75 आहा ते कित्याक 75 क्रॉस जाले तांकांय मेळची आनी तेंचे बायलांकूय मेळची. सो ही आमी इशू थिंगा डिस्कस करतले. सो वी विल टेक अप द मॅटर विथ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ शिपिंग. आनी थर्ड इशू म्हणटा तो जेवान सांगला तो जे $15 काट कोताय सगळे भुरग्यांगेले कंपनीचे. $15 एक मनशागेले काट करून बिकम अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. But what they are getting benefit is nothing. We had already fought for this. आम्ही झगडले म्हणजे 5 वर्स पयले तेमी आतां थोडेशे बेनिफीट वाडयले. पण आमचो कितें आहा कंप्लेन आमकां जायते भुरग्यां म्हणटाय ते म्हणटाय आमी तारोटी आमकां हिंगा वोटीचे पयशे काड कोताय सांगताय तुमकां इंडियन गव्हर्मेंट दितलो. What government is giving is peanuts. So we will take up these 3 issues. So therefore my request is 25th June मारियावालांक तुमी येयाय. जे कोण भुरग्यां गेले मेडिकल इश्यू आहाय आनी दुसरे भुरगे तारोटी आहाय न्यू तारोटी. मागीर ते जाणटेले जे 70 आहाय तेंकां कित्याक पयशे 75 अबावूय करपा जायी आनी तेंगे विडोवूय करपा जाय. आनी थर्ड इश्यू इज अबाउट डिडक्शन ऑफ $15. सो हे आमी मागताय.